If your best friend ever jumped in a pool and they can't swim because they were trying to face their fears, what would you do? Would you A, go jump for them, C, call the police, or D, call an ambulance? Which one would you do? Go below in the comments and tell me. And if you don't know, just put I don't know, okay? If it was your best BFF and they wanted to face their fears, what would you do? Tap down in the comments, A, B, C, or D, okay? And I got lip balm